Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Gemini to enable recurring buys detailed guide step by step clearly. To start, open the Gemini app on your device. Log in to your Gemini account using your credentials. If you don't have an account, create one by providing the required information. Once logged in, locate the buy option on the main screen. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to purchase. After selecting a cryptocurrency, look for the recurring buy option. Click on Set up recurring buy or a similar prompt. Choose the amount you would like to purchase on a recurring basis. Next, select the frequency of your purchase. You can choose options like daily, weekly, or monthly. Once you select your frequency, review the details of your recurring order. Confirm that everything looks correct before proceeding. If applicable, ensure you have sufficient funds in your account to cover the recurring buys. Next, if prompted, add or confirm your payment method. After confirming your payment method, review any fees associated with the transaction. Once everything is in order, click on Confirm or Set up recurring buy. You should receive a confirmation message that your recurring buy has been successfully set up. Finally, monitor your purchases through your account for any updates or changes. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.